In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can space out text in Canva. Basically, we want to create more gaps between letters in a text box in Canva. And by default, if you're just typing a regular text, the Canva setting will usually just follow the default setting for whatever font that you are using. But we can always space out every single letter and also every single line of the text box that we created. For example, this text box, I didn't change anything except the font type, and I want to make this text to be spaced out, so the letter will be distant apart from each other. You can click on the text box and then you can navigate to the spacing option, and then on the letter spacing you can increase the number. You have to slide it to the right, click and then slide it to the right, and as you can see now the text is a lot further apart from each other. That's something that we want to achieve. But there is also line spacing. So line spacing is for if you have multiple lines, then you can apply this setting. So if I add something like to this channel, you see that this is the default line spacing. If I change it, if I reduce it, it's going to be a lot closer together. If I slide it to the right, it will be further apart. And yeah, that's the two settings that you can apply. And sometimes you might also want to do the opposite. You want to make the text to be close to each other. It really depends on the style that you are trying to achieve, but more or less this is how you can do it. So anyway, that's how you can stretch, or basically how you can space out text in Canva. By the way, if you want to stretch the text, then I actually have made a video about that. You can check it out on the channel. It's different than spacing out text. It's just making the text appear to be wider than usual. So there you go. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.